If you're over 60, listen closely. Winter is quietly aging your skin faster than time itself. Think about it: cold air outside, dry heaters inside, and suddenly your skin looks duller, thinner, and more wrinkled, no matter how much expensive cream you use. Here's a shocking truth: most anti-aging creams just stop working after age 60. Why? Because they were never designed for the unique biology of older skin. Today, I'm going to show you a simple, doctor-approved, winter-safe homemade lotion. It uses one forgotten ingredient that your grandparents trusted: alum. If you're over 60, this video is optional, it's essential. Please stay with me until the very end, because I'll be sharing a special secret tip that makes this lotion twice as powerful, especially for deep wrinkles, age spots, and that loose, crepey skin. So, why does our skin seem to age so much faster after 60, especially during the winter? Well, after we hit 60, our skin loses collagen, natural oils, and moisture at a much faster rate. Winter just makes it all worse. Think of your skin like an old, well-loved cotton sweater. When it's new, it stretches and bounces right back. But after years of use and the harsh, cold winter air, it becomes thin, dry, and fragile. The science backs this up. Medical studies show that oil production in our skin drops by over 50% after age 60. Our skin's natural protective barrier becomes leaky, and its ability to heal itself slows down dramatically. That's why your wrinkles start to look deeper. Your skin tone can appear dull or dark, and those expensive creams just seem to sit on top of your skin instead of actually working. So, for those of us over 60, our winter skincare needs a new strategy. It must do three things: seal in precious moisture, gently tighten loose skin, and improve blood flow. I'm curious, does your skin get itchier or crack more often in the winter? Let me know in the comments below. Now, let's talk about our star ingredient, alum. What exactly is it, and why did our grandmothers trust it so much? Alum, which you might also know as fitcurry, is a natural mineral salt that's been used for centuries for its amazing skin benefits. It works in three powerful ways. First, it's a natural astringent, which means it tightens the skin. Second, it improves blood circulation, bringing vital nutrients to the surface. And third, it helps kill harmful bacteria that can cause skin issues. For aging skin, this translates to smaller looking pores, a firmer feel, and a gradual fading of dark patches. You can think of alum as a gentle personal trainer for your skin. It helps remind loose skin how to hold itself again, giving it a firmer, more youthful appearance. But here is a very important warning: alum must always be diluted. Never, ever rub raw alum directly onto aging skin. It's far too strong on its own. Now tell me, did your mother or grandmother ever use alum in her beauty routine? Type yes or nitrogen monoxide in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. Okay, let's get to the best part, the step-by-step guide to making our DIY winter anti-aging lotion. This formula is specifically designed to be safe and effective for skin over 60. Here's what you lines need. First, 1 cup of pure aloe vera gel. Next, a half teaspoon of very finely powdered alum. Then, 1 tablespoon of glycerin. 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil or olive oil will also work. And finally, the contents of 2 vitamin E capsules. So, why do these ingredients work so well together? The aloe vera is there to repair thin, aging skin. The alum, our star, firms and brightens. Glycerin is a fantastic humectant, meaning it pulls moisture deep into your skin. The oil acts as a sealant, locking that moisture in, which is crucial for winter. And vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that fights wrinkles. Here's how to prepare it. In a bowl, start by mixing the aloe vera gel and glycerin. Next, dissolve the alum powder in 1 tablespoon of warm water. Make sure it's fully dissolved. Then, add the alum water slowly into the aloe and glycerin mixture, stirring as you go. Finally, add the oil and the vitamin E from the capsules. Mix everything gently until you have a smooth, consistent lotion. The final texture should feel light, non-sticky, and easy for your skin to absorb. Would you like this recipe written down, step by step? Just comment recipe below, and I'll make sure to get it to you. Now, a quick but important doctor's note. While this lotion is wonderful, alum isn't for everyone. Please do not use this if you have skin conditions like eczema or any open wounds. Also, avoid it if you've recently had skin peeling treatments. If you feel any burning or itching, stop using it immediately. And as with any new product, always do a patch test behind your ear first. Remember, this lotion is for preventive and restorative care, not a medical treatment. So, you've made your lotion. What's the best way to apply it for maximum results? The correct timing is key. The best time to apply it is at night, just before you go to sleep. And a special winter rule, always apply it to slightly damp skin to lock in extra hydration. Now, here's how to apply it. Use about 2 pea-sized amounts. When you massage it in, always use gentle, upward strokes. Never pull your skin downward. Focus on the areas that show age the most: your hands, your neck, your face, and even your feet. And here's a little massage trick. Use your ring finger to apply the lotion, especially around the eyes. It's your weakest finger, so it applies the least amount of pressure on delicate skin. What kind of results can you expect? After about 7 days, your skin should start to feel softer and more hydrated. By day 14, you might notice an improved glow. And after about 30 days of consistent use, you should see a softening of wrinkles. Where do you want to see improvement the most? Your face, hands, or neck? Let me know. Remember, after 60, consistency always beats strength. Gentle, daily care is what truly makes a difference. And here's another tip. Drink warm water throughout the day in winter. Cold water can tighten your blood vessels, which isn't great for circulation. Also, try to add 1 teaspoon of soaked almonds to your daily diet. They're packed with skin-loving nutrients. And what's the one mistake to avoid? Long, hot showers. They feel great, but they strip your skin of its natural oils, leaving it even drier. So, let's recap the key lessons. Aging skin needs gentle tightening, not harsh peeling. Alum works wonders, but only when it's properly diluted. And winter skincare must focus on locking moisture deep inside the skin. And now, for the secret tip I promised you. For an extra boost, just before you apply the lotion, mix in 2 drops of pure rose water. This will boost blood flow even more and give you a radiant glow twice as fast. If you are serious about staying independent, confident, and glowing after 60, then this channel is for you. Now that your skin is protected, you must fix the #1 food mistake that ages people after 60. Click the video on your screen right now to find out what it is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.